In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Create your account. Click on Images. Click on Create. Create here you can type your prompt. Change your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download, let's try another sample. Click on Create button. Click on to preview. If you want to download, let's try another sample. Click on to Create button. Click on Images to preview. Click on Download. If you want more AI tutorials, subscribe.